Lendhi Institute of Engineering and Technology, located in Vijayagaram, Andhra Pradesh, has received an overall rating of 4.2 from students on Shiksha.com. How is the BTech course offered here? Let's find out, starting with the placements, also rated 4.2 stars. According to NIRF 2025, out of the 774-year engineering graduates in 2023-24, 504 were placed and 240 opted for higher studies. The placement rate at 65.5% showed consistent decline over the last 3 years. According to students, top recruiters included Accenture, Infosys, and Amazon, and the top roles offered were software engineer, software developer, product engineer, and design engineer. The median package in 2023-24 was 5.5 lakh per annum, showing a considerable rise over the last 3 years despite a slight dip in 2022-23. Compared to the neighboring Sri Venkateshwara College, LIET's median package is a clear advantage. Now about the BTech program, rated 4.2 stars. It offers 7 specializations including EEE, ME, and CSIT. Eligibility requires 45% in class 12 with selection based on EAM CET scores. The 4-year tuition fees is about 2.5 lakh rupees and students have rated it a 4.2 star for value for money. Next up is the infrastructure, also rated 4.2 stars. The Wi-Fi enabled campus has spacious classrooms, an AV room, seminar halls, canteen, and a central library. There are over 30 well-equipped labs including electrical machines, Java and Python, and communications for hands-on learning. Sports facilities include 2 playgrounds for games like cricket, netball, and badminton, along with a gym and medical care. Students appreciate the hostel mess food that is available 24/7. Moving on now to the academics, rated 4.3 stars. The faculty consists of many PhD holders, a dedicated R&D cell that promotes innovation with frequent workshops, seminars, and well-equipped labs. The Innovation and Incubation Center supports student entrepreneurship, and conferences are held on topics like AI and deep learning. Students can also pursue NPTEL certification courses. Next up is the campus life, rated 4.2 stars. Through a scheme for promoting interests, creativity, and ethics among students have the option to join one of the 10 clubs. Additional options include photography, NSS, and the Femina wing, and events like Women's Day, Sports Day, film screenings, and poetry slams are regularly organized. Lastly, Lendhi Institute of Engineering and Technology is currently unranked in the NIRF 2024. Download the Shiksha app for more details.